Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question part 1, we have to identify the terms which contains x and give the coefficient of x. So basically here we are given the expressions, and in this expression we have to identify the term which contain x, and for that term we have to find out the coefficient of the x. So here we are starting with the part 1. Part 1 is y raised to the power 2x plus y. So in this expression it is clearly visible that term which is containing x is y raised to the power 2, and the coefficient for this is y raised to the power 2. So y raised to the power 2 is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now the next part is 13 of y raised to the power 2 minus 8 of yx. Second is 13 of y raised to the power 2 minus 8 of yx. So the term which contain x is this minus 8 of yx, and the coefficient for minus 8 of yx is minus 8 of y. So this is the answer to the part second. The part third is x plus y plus 2. So in this expression, that is x plus y plus 2, the term which containing x is x, and the coefficient for this is 1. So this is the answer to the part third. Part fourth is 5 plus z plus zx. So we have to find out the x in this expression, and after that we have to find out the coefficient. So this is 5 plus z plus zx. So the term which containing x is zx, and the coefficient for x in that is z. So this is the answer to the part 4. Now we are considering about the part 5th. Part 5th is 1 plus xy. So 1 plus xy. So there are two terms which are containing x, which is x plus xy. So there are two terms which having x. One is x and the another is xy. Coefficient for x is 1. Coefficient for xy is y. So this is the answer to the part 5th of this question. Now let's discuss the part 6th. Part 6 is 12 of x y raised to the power 2 plus 25 of y. So this is 12 of x y raised to the power 2 plus 25. So the term containing x is 12 of xy, and the constant for the term that is 12 of xy is 12 of y raised to the power 2. So this is the answer to the part 6. Now we are considering about the part 7, which is 7 of x plus x of y raised to the power 2. So that is 7 of x plus x of y raised to the power 2. So there are two terms which are containing x. One is 7x and the another is x of y raised to the power 2. So the constant for 7 of x is 7, and the constant of x of y raised to the power 2 is y raised to the power 2. So this is the answer to the part 7th of this part. In the part B, we have to identify the terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of the y square. First is 8 minus x of y raised to the power 2. So part B's one is 8 minus x of y raised to the power 2. We have to find out the terms which contain y square. So this is minus of x of y raised to the power 2, and the constant for the term y raised to the power 2 is minus x, or we can say that the coefficient of minus of x y raised to the power 2 is minus x. Now we are considering about the part B. So the part second is 5 of y raised to the power 2 plus 7x. So 5 of y raised to the power 2 plus 7x. So the term which contain y square is 5 of y raised to the power 2, and we have to find out the coefficient of y square, that is equals to 5. So this is the answer to the part second of this question. Now we are considering about the part third, which is 2 of x square y minus 15 of xy raised to the power 2 plus 7 of xy. So we have to find out the coefficient for the terms which contains y square. So here in this expression, 2 of x square y minus 15 of xy raised to the power 2 plus 7 of y square. So the term which contain y square are 15 of x y raised to the power 2 and 7 of y square. So the coefficient of y square is minus 15 of x and 7. So this is the answer to the part third of this question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.